Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and today we're in a little bit of a different location. Sorry for the lighting if it's crazy, but we are going to settle an age-old debate. Chicken thighs or chicken breasts. And we're gonna do them all here on the Pit Boss portable tabletop smoker. And so we're gonna basically do barbecue chicken. We're gonna do smoked barbecue chicken. We're gonna do some breasts and some thighs, and then at the very end, we're gonna taste them and we're gonna see how they are. So if nothing else, you're gonna learn how to make some delicious barbecue chicken today on your Pit Boss. And so with that, I got my smoker, I got my chicken, I got my seasoning, and we're ready to go. All right, so you can see here, I have 3 chicken breasts and I have 3 chicken thighs. And these gorgeous cuts of chicken came from the always awesome Strip District Meats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. You gotta check them out online, stripdistrictmeats.com, and they will ship anything you want nationwide. Now we're gonna do a pretty simple seasoning today because we are going to brush on some barbecue sauce towards the end of this, so we don't wanna like over season and complicate the flavor. So we're gonna do a very simple seasoning of salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Flip them all over. And do the same thing on this other side. All right, simple as that. Now we're gonna fire up the Pit Boss portable tabletop smoker and we're gonna get these things on. All right, we are up to temp. We're actually smoking today at a temperature of 350 degrees. The portable is right now at 335. It's getting up there, but it's a totally fine temperature to go ahead and put it on. So we'll lift this up and we'll go ahead and put our chicken breasts on. And then here go our thighs. We always want that sort of presentation side down first. Now we're going to close it up and we're going to wait for the internal temperature. Now the internal temp on a breast and a thigh is going to be a little bit different. The thigh is going to be thinner, so it's going to get up to probably like 170, 180, maybe even 190, and it's going to be totally fine. It's a darker meat. The white meat, the breast, is going to get up to 165, maybe 170, and then we're going to pull them off. But before they get to that final temperature, we're going to come back out and baste them in the best barbecue sauce you have ever had. Just wait till I'll show it to you. But for now, let's close this up and let's get these guys going. All right, after about 20 minutes, it's time to flip this chicken over. There you go. Look at that, beautiful. All right, with the chicken now flipped, it's time to apply our barbecue sauce. And like I said, today we are using the best barbecue sauce you can get anywhere. It is, of course, the Holy Smokes Sweet Heat Barbecue Sauce, available exclusively online at holysmokesbbqchannel.com. You've got to try this. It is absolutely delicious on chicken. So we'll put it right on the chicken, just like that. And just using a brush here to brush that on. Oh man, that's gonna be delicious. Don't worry, we're gonna do it on the other side as well. And it might not look like much on some of these, but don't worry, we're gonna apply it a couple of different times because we really want a nice coating. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. We want a nice coating of that delicious sauce. And the goal is that we've applied this sauce and it's baked in by the time the chicken is actually ready to pull. So we'll see. All right, let's flip them over. Go back in with our sauce here. And we'll brush it on. All right, so we'll close it up and then we'll actually flip it again and basically repeat the same process 2 more times. So once on the other side and once on this side, and then we'll be ready to pull them off and try them. All right, my chicken is temping perfectly. Let's go ahead and take a look. Look how beautiful that looks. Gorgeous with the barbecue sauce. I mean, it all looks absolutely delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it off and then try it. All right, everybody, here we have it. Chicken breasts, chicken thighs, all barbecued with that delicious Holy Smokes barbecue sauce, and it's time to try them to see which one is better. So first, we're gonna do just a little slice of each just to show you what it looks like on the inside. We'll start here with our chicken breast, just right down the middle. And you can see, beautifully cooked, super moist and delicious. Now we'll go with our chicken thigh, right down the middle. It's very hot. Ow. And you can see, same thing, beautifully cooked, but now it's time to try them. All right, it is time to make the official decision. Chicken breast or chicken thighs, both barbecued on the Pit Boss portable smoker. And honestly, I just want to kind of eat all of it, but I understand there is a mission for today's video, so let's try each. I'm gonna start with the chicken breast. Here we go, smoked chicken breast, let's try it. Oh, very juicy, super tender. Oh, the barbecue sauce makes it. I mean, that's really, really good. It's gonna be hard to beat, but let's try our chicken thigh. Here we go, smoked chicken thighs. Oh wow, flavor. Listen, before I give you a decision, I gotta say it. Holy smokes, holy smokes. Both of these cuts of chicken are absolutely delicious, but I do believe there is a clear winner. And it's the chicken thigh. The chicken thigh has so much flavor to it. The breast is great, but I feel like you'd need to sort of dress it up a little bit more. Like you'd need to kind of dip it in barbecue sauce just to get a little bit more flavor to it. But the thigh, oh my gosh, from the moment you take a bite, the thigh is just delicious. It tastes great, it has so much flavor. Well, hey, this has been my own personal opinion, all right? So if you're somebody that's like, chicken breasts are definitely better than thighs, that's fine. You do you, but this is specifically my opinion today. So hey, if you're a chicken breast person, I would recommend grab a couple chicken thighs and just try them, and vice versa. If you're a thigh person, try some chicken breasts. Just broaden your horizons a little bit, but each of these is absolutely delicious. Well, thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, especially in our non-traditional location today. And if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you like this video by clicking the little thumbs up. That's gonna help people find the video. And then also, if you like chicken, you have to check out this chicken video. This one right here is one of the best chicken dishes that I've made outdoors on the smoker. You gotta check that out, and I'll see you next time.
That was horrible.